Hello everyone and welcome to the Lawn and Garden channel. Here are 10 genius garden hacks that will level up your garden game. Please don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe. Number 1 on our list we have eggshell seed starters. Use empty eggshells as biodegradable seed starters. Fill them with soil, plant your seeds, and once the seedlings are ready to transplant, crush the eggshell slightly to allow roots to grow through. Number 2. Coffee grounds for soil. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, which is beneficial for plant growth. Mix them into your soil to improve its fertility, or sprinkle them around plants as a natural fertilizer. Number 3. DIY compost bin. Create your own compost bin using a plastic storage container with holes drilled in the lid and sides for aeration. Layer kitchen scraps, yard waste, and soil for nutrient-rich compost. Number 4. Epsom salt for plant health. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium, which promotes plant growth and enhances nutrient uptake. Dissolve a tablespoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water and use it to water your plants once a month. Number 5. Mulching with newspaper. Lay down sheets of newspaper around plants to suppress weeds and retain moisture. Cover with a layer of mulch to keep the newspaper in place and add further weed control. Number 6. Pruning paint with cinnamon. After pruning plants, apply a thin layer of cinnamon to the cut ends to prevent fungal infections. Cinnamon acts as a natural antifungal agent and helps the wounds heal faster. Number 7. DIY plant markers. Use old wine corks or painted rocks as plant markers. Simply write the name of the plant on the cork or rock with a permanent marker and place it next to the corresponding plant. Number 8. Rainwater collection. Set up a rain barrel to collect rainwater for watering your garden. Rainwater is free of chlorine and other chemicals, making it beneficial for plants and environmentally friendly. Number 9. Cloche from plastic bottles. Cut the bottom off plastic bottles and use them as cloches to protect young seedlings from pests and harsh weather conditions. Remove the bottle cap to allow for ventilation. Before we get to the last garden tip, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, the Lawn and Garden channel. Last at number 10 we have aluminum foil reflectors. Place strips of aluminum foil around plants to reflect sunlight onto the lower leaves, increasing photosynthesis and promoting healthier growth. These hacks can help you save time, money, and resources while maintaining a thriving garden. Happy gardening, and please remember to subscribe. Take care of yourselves, my friends, and we will see you next time.